This might look like your average vanilla cupcake with vanilla frosting, but it's not. It's a coconut cupcake with lime frosting. There's nothing tricky about making these light and flavorful coconut cupcakes. So let's start with the batter. You're gonna cream the eggs and the sugar together until they're a light pale yellow. And then you're gonna add in the coconut oil and the coconut milk and just mix it until it's well combined. So one of the things I did to enhance the coconut flavor of this cupcake is instead of using butter for the fat and the moisture content, I used coconut oil, but not any coconut oil. I used the virgin kind, and that means that it wasn't highly refined, which pulls out a lot of that coconut flavor. So this one, it smells and tastes just like a coconut. Now you're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, and that's a combination of gluten-free flour, unsweetened shredded coconut, baking powder, and salt. Get that combined real well, and then pour the batter into your cupcake liners. Of course, the next thing to do is to pop them in the oven to bake. So here's our coconut cupcakes out of the oven, and you can see how perfect they look. They're not too browned on top, and boy, do they smell coconutty. And now all they need is that lime frosting. To make the lime frosting, start by beating together your packages of cream cheese. I used a vegan cream cheese because I wanted it to be dairy-free for my family's needs, but feel free to use any type of cream cheese that you like the taste of. And then sweeten it up with powdered sugar, and the last thing you do is add in the lime zest just to make sure that it's combined really well in with the rest of the ingredients. And then you can go ahead and put it on your coconut cupcakes. You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.